Good morning, guys. So let's start yet another video on difference between Buddhism and Jainism. So without wasting any time, let us start. So before discussing basic differences between Buddhism and Jainism, let us also talk about their background. And also I would discuss here. Also I would discuss here what are the subsects of Buddhism and Jainism. So if you pick up the previous year question of prelims, this has become a very crucial portion of the ancient history, as 2 or 3 questions are asked in 2021 and 20, and also this has been a hot topic since 2017, क्योंकि ऐसे questions बहुत deep हैं और जिनका ऑप्शन नहीं है उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल आती है. So let us start. We will discuss two topics today: difference between Jainism and Buddhism, and subjects between Buddhism and Jainism. Now I am starting with the second topic: difference. We will do it last. So we know that when Mahavira was alive and when Buddha was alive, so any doubt related to culture, cultural practice, or religion, people directly come to them and ask what is correct or what is wrong. So they tell them and they follow that. Now when Mahavira and Buddha both died, there emerged various interpretations of the law. For example, whether to worship Mahavira or not, whether to worship Buddha or not, there emerged a division among followers. Those who say yes and those who say no, they called themselves different from each other and started doing their own practices. Now, to clarify on the rules and regulations, various councils emerged or took place in the various time periods in both the religion, in Jainism as well as Buddhism. So let us first discuss the councils of Jainism. Council of Jainism. So guys, Jainism has basically two councils. First council held nearly in 300 BC, where Jainism got divided into two subsects, mainly Shwetambar and Digambar. Digambars. And when we study subsects of Jainism, we study various divisions of Shwetambar and Digambar. Before doing that, let us first discuss what is the basic difference between Shwetambars and Digambars. They are known as sky-clad, as they wore clothes. They remained naked and nude for penance. And now you can deduce from the logic that since here the nudity is practiced for penance, then sorry, I have written wrong concepts. Means interchange the concept. Digambars were one who were a bit orthodox, and Shwetambars were one who were quite liberal. You might have heard the story of famine. When famine came, Sthulpad and his followers remain in the north, whereas Bhadrabahu, along with his patronagers, migrated towards south. So Shwetambars remain sky-clad, they wore clothes, and Digambars remain naked. So they allow salvation for women. They do not allow salvation for women. They allow salvation. They say that women, they do not say, but it is deduced that they consider women as inferior to men, and to get salvation they have to take rebirth as men. Whereas here women get salvation. And second council took place nearly about 560 AD, and here basically this held at Patliputra. Here also various divisions emerged, and here the chairman was Devarthi Shamar. And here 12 Angas and Up-Angas were prepared. Now come to the division. So you first write about it. Basically there is not much to explain. Subsects of Shwetambars and Digambars. So Shwetambar is basically less number of subsects. So you remember these subsects, and those who are left consider them as Digambars. So first one is Murti Pujak or Deravasi. If you see the previous year question, these questions have been already asked in the prelims examination, Mandir Margi. So you might deduce from the word itself, Murti Pujak, Deravasi, Mandir Margi, that they follow idol worship. Whereas Sthanakvasi, they do not practice idol worship. They do not worship idol practice. And then the last is Terapanthi. So you remember these three, they come under Shwetambars subject, and the remaining come under Digambar, which are Bispanthi or Bispantha, Terapantha, Mool Sangh, Taran Tota Panth, Gumar Panth. These are the subjects of Digambaras. Also, there is a most important point. It has also asked in one of the UPSC exam. I do not remember its name, which is Yapniya. This subject is a subject of Digambar, but it follows the practice of Shwetambars. It is a subject of Digambar, but follows the practice of Shwetambar. Yapniya. So here we have completed the subsects of Jainism. Now come to the subsect of Buddhism. Questions are asked very deep these days, and it is important to discuss these topics, as earlier these are confined to only those students which have history as their option. So before understanding the subjects of Buddhism, let us first consider the main broader divisions of Buddhism. So like I said that when the differences emerged among followers, so they asked to solve their differences through councils. So Buddhism also has councils. These broader councils till date are 4: first, second, third, and 4. And they have their chairman, they have their patronage king, then they also have their time, at what time they took place, and then comes the major outcomes of those councils. First came around 483 BC when Buddha died, and it held under Mahakasa. So I am not writing very neatly here and explaining the topic in hasty manner, because here we are not studying about these topics, councils. Here I'm just giving a background that first we understand the broader classification and then we study the subset. So here in the first council, various compilations of Sutta Pitaka and Vinaya Pitaka came. Vinaya Pitaka has rules and regulations, Sutta Pitaka has teachings of Buddha. Then comes and it was presided by Mahakashyap, already written. It was under the patronage. Sorry, it was presided by Mahakashyap. Patronage ruler was Ajatasattu. Ajatasattu. Then second held at Vaishali, 383 BC. Savakami was the chairman. Kalasuka was the patronage leader, king. Here the main broader two division came. Sthavirvadin. Remember this. Sthavirvadin. One division and second division came Mahasanghika. These two divisions came in the second council. Then in the third, Vedanta Pitaka was compiled. Also, missionary was sent to spread Buddhism. Fourth, held at Kashmir in the 72 AD time, 72 AD, and Vasumitra was its chairman and held under Kanishka. Here also the major division of Buddhism emerged, which were Heenyan and Mahayana. So we will study this topic when we will study the divisions of difference between Buddhism and Jainism. So now three broader subsects came, which are Sthavirvadin and Mahasanghikas, and in the fourth, Heenyan and Mahayana. Now let us study the subsects of Buddhism. Here what my plan is, first I will draw the mind map of these subjects and then I will explain them individually. So first you have to write this along with me, and then when I will explain, you can write those points somewhere in the notes or just remember them. So first division came in the second council between Sthavirvadin and Mahasanghikas. So Sthavirvadin has majorly broadly 5 divisions. First we are doing of Sthavirvadin. First is Sarvasti Vadin. Second is Heenyan, which is Thera Vadin. Then comes the third, Vibhaj Vadin. ये आपको याद रखना है कि ये स्थविरवादन का पार्ट है. स्थविरवादन में फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट इज सरस्वतीवादन, देन हीनयान, विभाजवादन, थर्ड सेकंड. देन कम्स द फोर्थ व्हिच इज महिसासका, एंड द फिफ्थ इज Vatsiputras. So these are the major 5 divisions of Sthavirvadin. Now these subdivisions have also subdivisions, subsects, which Sarastivadin has 2. First one is Vaibhashika and second one is Sautrantika. Heenyan you already know. We can study this in difference, so I am reading it here. Then comes Vibhajvadin. Vibhajvadin has no broader subdivisions. Then Vatsiputra, or basically Samnitya. Both dealing Pudgal. What is Pudgal? I will tell you later. So, and Mahisaska, yes, Mahisaska, here it is. Mahisaska has also a division which is Dharma Guptakas. First write this in your notes and then I'll explain it later. Now comes third division of Mahasanghikas. First is Lokottar Vadin, एक व्यावहारिका, Kaukutikas, Jatyaka, Pragnaptivad. Then Apar, I remember this with Apar Shutiya, Apar plus Shutiya. This one is 6th and this one is 7th. Apar is Apar Shila and Shutiya is Bahu Shutiya. Now you have to mention, I have to mention one point here is you have to lay emphasis that till now, this is the second council, till now Mahayana has not come into the picture. It will come into the picture in the 4th council when the division between Heenyana and Mahayana happens. It will come in the picture in the 4th council, and Mahayana has also 2 divisions. First one is Shunyavad and Yogachar, or you can also call it Yogachar or Vigyanvad. Now Mahayana division, why it came? Mahayana came due to the difference in deification of Buddha. Deification of Buddha means whether to worship Buddha as God or not. This was the major point of division. So Shunyavad and Yogachar are the further division of Mahayana, which came in the 4th century, and in the second council it is not come to the picture, which held around 383 BC. Now let us understand one by one about each of these subjects. So Buddhism has a theory. Buddhism has a theory of momentariness. Where Buddha told कर्मा के ऊपर theory of momentariness लगाई जा सकती है. So Sarvastivadin, they opposed the idea. They said karma is forever. सर्वस्तिवादी, सर्वस्व के लिए अस्तित्व, जिसका अस्तित्व सर्वस्व के लिए है, हमेशा के लिए, जो कभी नष्ट नहीं होगा. बुद्धा ने बोला कि कर्मा which is a kind of constituent matter, इस पे theory of momentariness लगेगी. सर्वस्तिवादी opposed this idea, but division of सर्वस्तिवादी is वैभाषिका. They supported Sarvastivadi. That is, they also opposed the Buddha's idea. They said the theory of momentariness cannot be applied over karma. Whereas the second division of Sarvastivadi, which is Sautantrika, they opposed the idea of Sarvastivadi and they said that theory of momentariness as it was Buddha can be applied on what? Theory of momentariness can be applied on karma. So you have to understand that Sarvastivadi has two divisions, Vaibhashika and Sautantrika. Sautantrika, they opposed the idea of Sarvastivadi, and Vaibhashika supported the idea of Sarvastivadi. Now comes to the, also remember that this follows the study of Abhidhamma Pitak, and this follows the study of Sut Pitak, and the Vaibhashika and the Sarvastivadi both have the teachings of Abhidhamma Pitak. Now comes the picture of Vibhajvadin. They take the stand of the Vibhajvadin say that to some part they take a neutral position. Vibhajvadin takes somewhere a neutral position. They say that to somewhere it applies and to somewhere it does not apply. One part in one part it applies and in the other part it does not apply. Then come Mahisaska. Mahisaska has Dharmaguptakas. Dharmaguptakas say that eightfold path is different for Upasak and it is different for Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva, you know that those who attend enlightenment, but they are delaying their nirvana. Why? Because they want to teach others to get the same. Then come the Vatsiputra and Pudgal. Pudgal is, you don't have to study in that deep, but you understand that just like human body is made of 5 tattvas, they say that Pudgal, that human is a composition of 5 skandhas. This is the basic teaching of Pudgals. Then comes the Lokottarvadin. Lokottarvadin is a division of Mahasangikas. Lokottarvadin saying whatever happens, it is the activity of transcendental world. Means whatever is happening is due to the magical event, not in our power. Ek Vyavharika say the same. They say the same as the Lokottarvadin. Kokutika also say the same. And Jatyaka, they also say the same. They say, but at the Andhra Pradesh region. Then comes the Pranaptivada. Here you have to pay importance. Pranaptivada say that everything is mere idea. Everything is idea, just like Hobbes and Plato. They both, not Hobbes, here. They both say that whatever you see is not reality, it is just a manifestation of idea. Aparshila and Bahushtiya you can leave for today. Means these are not important for prelims. And Shunyavad is the division of Maya. And Shunyavad is given by Nagarjuna. Nagarjuna is also known as the Einstein of India. Why? Because Nagarjuna says that everything has evolved of zero. Everything has came out of zero and will ultimately end in zero. So very much similar to theory of relativity. Hence, he is known as the Einstein of India. He has given the theory of Madhyamik Shunyavad. And Yogacara or Vigyanvad is proposed by two brothers, Vasubandhu and Asanga. These two are brothers and it is proposed by them. So today we have to do till here. In the next video, I think I will cover the differences part because it is too long for today to complete this in a video. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, if it has helped you in any way, please do like and subscribe.